Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you are fine. Today I am going to tell you difference between raise and rise. Both raise and rise refer to something going up, but there is a difference. So let's start. Raise. Raise needs a direct object. If you raise something, you move it up. It has both literal and non-literal meanings, and it is a regular verb. So its past and past participle forms are raised. Like this, I raise my eyebrows when I am surprised. The government planned to raise taxes. He raised his voice at me in anger, but I forgave him. Last one, rise. Rise doesn't take a direct object. Think rise or group up by themselves. Rise is regular verb, so the past form is rose and the past participle is risen. Like this, the sun rise at 6 a.m. The water level rise twice a day because of the tide. The bird rose into the air and flew away. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.